So, you're an automotive enthusiast and you've probably had trouble finding wheels which fit and look good on your vehicle. I'm Simon Clemens and have been an automotive enthusiast for many years. Being trade qualified as an automotive repairer and mechanical fitter, I understand the difficulties associated with fitting aftermarket wheels and tyres to your vehicle. The kit wheel has been created to overcome fitment difficulties quickly, simply and safely. Kit wheel is designed for automotive enthusiasts. It is a wheel which you yourself can easily put together, adjust and modify to fit your needs, without having to use expensive vehicle modifications or compromising the style you need for the vehicle. The main advantage of the kit wheel is the backspace and offset adjustment capability, which no other wheel on the market offers. Let's say you find a wheel you really like and you believe it will look great on your car, but then sadly you discover it will not fit your vehicle because it fits inward too far or sticks out and rubs the guard. As a result, you are disappointed and are forced to settle for something second best. Kit wheel has been created to have the same appearance as other wheels. However, by using the kit wheel, multiple combinations can be set up, including centerpieces, stud patterns, and rim diameters and widths, and the offset and backspace is completely adjustable. A small rotation of the center disc provides even further adjustments. Offsets can be locked in place and fine-tuned within millimeters. The kit wheel is fully adjustable. It overcomes fitment problems that are usually associated with fixed parameter wheels. It can easily be adjusted from a negative to a positive offset. The kit wheel has the ability to adjust and adapt to fit almost any vehicle. Kit wheels appear as normal stylish wheels. For an onlooker, it is not obvious that these wheels are entirely adjustable. In the same addition, the same kit wheels can then be fitted to a different vehicle with minimal adjustment, with no or less expense to the owner. Because it is a kit, centers and outer rims are chosen separately. This enables you to easily keep up with current styles and trends. The exciting point to make is that kit wheel remains modifiable by the end user.